Bob has been a broker for over 30 years. Has served the Katy, Richmond, and all West Houston areas since 1976. His extensive knowledge of the market trends make him an expert. If you are looking for experience and knowledge, call Broker Bob. Nestled on a corner lot in Katy, Texas, this 3-bed, 2-bath home offers modern living. The split floor plan seamlessly blends living, dining, and kitchen areas, ideal for entertaining. Equipped with appliances, including a washer/dryer, and featuring a sprinkler system and garage door opener, this home combines convenience with luxury. Don't miss your chance to make this dream home yours. Schedule a showing today.